it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the cross stitch kits and charts that I've purchased at the end of 2022. I've bought a lot of kits and 2 charts. So let's get started. The first kit is by Design Works. A beautiful, colorful garden. And I like cross stitching with different colors, and this is perfect. And this one has a lot of back stitching. 14 by 18 inches, 14 count 8 of fabric, and the beautiful colorful floss. This I bought on 123stitch.com. Next one is also by Design Works. A beautiful, colorful autumn fall bouquet. Beautiful flowers. Also Design Works. 12 by 14 inches. 14 count 8 of fabric. And the beautiful floss. Colorful floss. This I bought on crossstitchworld.com. Next is a kit by Riolis. This I bought on 123stitch.com. Beautiful lilies, and this is very thick and full of floss, because this is not cotton floss. This is acrylic woolen floss, and this is stitched on not 14 count but 10th count 8 of fabric. So I got 8 of 23 colors. I have this kit as well, and I'm thinking of maybe buying this one as well. I haven't decided. We'll see. Next kit I ordered from Great Britain, and this is by Heritage Crafts, and I think that the website is called lovecrafts.com. It's like a beautiful, picturesque English village, country village. You can see the chart here and the floss. This is DMC floss needle, and they have just 2 other cross stitch kits that I am interested in. Maybe I'll buy them someday. And they also have a lot of cross stitch kits with seagulls that I like, and I'm planning to purchase in the future. And last kit, this is also by Jen Lynn. Camping fire. These, I've never been to USA, but I think that these look like the mountains of Colorado, if I'm not mistaken. Kit 14 by 11 inches, 14 count 8 of fabric, and the beautiful floss. Then I bought 2 cross stitch charts. This one I bought on eBay by Dimensions. This is a chart. This is not a kit. It has a chart and charms, embellishment, but the floss and the fabric I have to buy myself. And then I also purchased this chart. This is by Joan Elliott, The Tree of Life, and I like it very much because it has so many different fruit, and it has a lot of different animals and birds, a lot of detailing, and a lot of back stitching. I really like Joan Elliott very much. Well, that's about it. Let me know in the comment section what chart or cross stitch kit you like the most. And I'm planning to make a video soon about what I've been cross stitching during the entire year of 2022, and also I'm going to be making a video about my plans for 2023, And I had one viewer asked me to make a video about all my cross stitch charts, and I have a lot of them, so I'm gonna be making a video about that. So don't miss any of those videos. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope this is a great new year for you. 2023 is gonna be a year full of peace, love, adventure, good health, and just a great time. And I hope you have a great day and a great year. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.